And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxes. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest PBandai release kit for the figurized standard line of the Mass Rider series. We have Mass Rider Faiz Blaster form. Yes, this is Faiz Ultimate form. We're in, with the Faiz Blaster in trunk mode form, enters a 555, inserts it into trunk mode, and becomes the Faiz Blaster form. So as you can see in the box art, we see Faiz Blaster form performing one of his ultimate attacks in the bottom blaster mode. And yeah, that's what you can see. And I think this is the exact frame captured in Paradise Lost. Yes, it's a Faiz movie. And off to the side, we can see here Faiz back and forth. Yeah, Faiz Blaster, and you can see the different modes of the Faiz Blaster. We see the Proton Blaster mode and Proton Buster mode, and of course the Trunk Box mode, and of course, yes, he has some sidearms here, what are also blasters. Off to the side, we see here information about Faiz, the blaster form, and of course about the kit. Now, let's take a look inside what's inside the box. First off, we see one bag with multiple sprues, one all clear green. I think this is the same FX parts. I think, yeah, one all red, and a multicolored one. I think this is the same as Faiz and Faiz Axle form, only just in red. And here I think this must be a new no, not a new one. I think this is still from the old Faiz kit. Yeah, all silver. And another bag. This time, yes, yeah, this is the new sprue. Each sprue, all silver. And another bag with, I think, some recognizable sprues from the Faiz and Faiz Axle kits. Yep. And here I think this is a new one with, yeah, here we see it, the Faiz Blaster in trunk mode, Photon Blaster and Photon Buster mode, and some new parts, and very, very big sticker sheet. Oh my. And of course, the instruction manual. Is there an amendum here? No, no amendum. Very good. And yes, here we see the instruction manual of the Faiz Blaster 4. Yes, and there it is, completed in all its glory. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Alright, so first off, again, is the H sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. This is still the same from the standard Faiz figure standard, as well as the Faiz axle form, only with some parts already in black, and most of these parts were black but are now red. This is still the same color. And then we have a B sprue. So B sprue here, this is still the same as the regular Faiz, except for, yes, the black colors turning to red. You still see the same sprue here for the C, which is all silver. Most of those parts will not be used anyway. Yeah, we have the D sprue here, which is the effect part, same with Faiz and Faiz Axle. Now comes some of the new parts, which is new sprues, which is the E sprue here, which is colored black. Because previously with the lines are turning from red to black. Some more new sprues here, I think. We have the F sprue, or no, sorry. I think this is still the old sprues, but instead of black, the red, and the earlier one was supposed to be red. Now I think, yeah, this now here is the new sprue, which is the G sprue. More parts for the Faiz Blaster form. So new set of torsos, a new set of head here, shoulders, yep. And then the H sprue, which is all silver, so new silver parts. And unfortunately, yes, it has some ABS plastic for the joints here. Yeah, just like the same as the regular Faiz and Faiz Axle, and of course the new stand, which is a stand 6, I guess. Yeah. So they move on from the hexagon one into like this. Bold move from Bandai actually. And yes, the disappointingly very big stair sheet. Yeah. So I think most of these parts here are, same as before, but with other skill seekers like for the Faiz blaster. Yep. And there you have it, camera defense and folks. That was what's inside the P Bandai exclusive figure standard Master Rider Faiz blaster form. Yes. Again, we see here Faiz in the blaster form in the scene from Lost Paradise, which is a cool movie actually. And the 20 years, I don't know how they connected it, but it's a cool movie. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, seeing other videos, liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.